Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to erase video text in CapCut. First, open your project and select the video clip containing the text you wish to remove. Tap on the clip in the timeline to reveal the editing options. Next, locate the text layer itself. You'll want to ensure you're working directly with the text element or the underlying video if the text is burned in. This initial step is crucial for setting up a successful removal process, allowing you to proceed with precision and efficiency. Once your text is selected, navigate to the mask feature within CapCut's editing tools. Choose a suitable mask shape, such as a rectangle or circle, that best covers the unwanted text. Carefully adjust the mask's position and size to precisely enclose the text. You can also use the feather option to soften the mask's edges, creating a more natural and seamless blend with the surrounding video. Aim for a feathering value between 5 and 15 for optimal results, ensuring the removal looks professional. Another effective method involves overlaying a clean section of your video. Find a part of your clip where the background is clear and free of text. Duplicate this clean segment and place it as an overlay directly above the text you want to hide. Adjust its position and size to perfectly cover the text. Experiment with blending modes like normal or darken and fine-tune the opacity, perhaps around 90 to 100%, to seamlessly integrate the overlay and make the text disappear without a trace. For moving text, utilize keyframes to animate your mask or overlay, ensuring it tracks the text's movement throughout the clip. Zoom in on your timeline and preview window for meticulous adjustments, especially when dealing with small or intricate text. Remember, achieving a flawless removal often requires patience and multiple attempts. Practice these techniques on different types of text and backgrounds. With dedication, you'll master the art of cleanly erasing unwanted text from your CapCut videos, enhancing your overall video quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.